Hello Sugar Plums, my name is Evelyn and this channel is Planning Dave. If you are new here on this channel, I am just another planner babe who happens to be a mom of 3, soon to be 4 littles, wife, and enjoys sharing what I'm learning, my silly and DIYs, and soon much more. So if you enjoy this video today, please go ahead and feel welcome to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Today in this video, we are doing an unboxing of the Planner Babe collection by the Happy Planner. And I'll be giving a little bit of kind of review or update on what I've been using since I've gotten the product. Now, as an official Happy Planner Squad member, I am sent a product at no cost to me to use and to review. So that's kind of what you're getting in this video. First, we're going to get into the box. I'm going to go through the box and tell you kind of all of the items that are in the box. And then at the very end, I'll give you a quick rundown of what I'm using, what I'm loving, and details on how you can get these items. So I'm speeding this up just because it is an unboxing and not really a detailed flip through from me this time. And this was wrapped very nicely. You have the mini for the Planner Babe collection of the Happy Planner Girl. This mini is a deluxe, and I also noticed that the covers inside and out are different than the classic planner covers, but the design layout of the planner is the same. Here is a mini Happy Notes, and the cover reads, "Good things happen to those who plan." And then we have the half sheets. It says, "Hey Planner Babe, make all the plans." And that has some fun on there too. You've got the envelopes, the desk calendar, some sticky notes, a planner accessory pack, some classic filler paper, classic dashboards. And this is a paper block, Happy Notes in classic size, and then a classic deluxe planner. The planner is a vertical layout, and we'll get into that. That's mini half sheets, mini filler paper, journaling stickers, and you've got 60 sheets of half sheet paper, enamel stickers, 30 pieces, mini sticker book, classic sticker book, and accessory book. And that's what came in my box. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed going through that box with me and really seeing all the things that came specifically for me. Each squad member got kind of a different planner, but we pretty much got the same items for the most part. Now, what I am using, I have dug deeply into all 3 sticker books. This sticker book is actually more of it's actually called an accessory book, which I showed you. And then you have your classic size and mini sticker book. The thing that I think is great about the stickers that came in this collection is that you got more functional, but a couple of sheets of decorative. So if whether you're a functional planner or a decorative planner, this sticker book would be great for you. But I am going to say, I'm going to lean more to if you need stickers to help you plan out the things that this Planner Babe Happy Planner Girl collection is really going to be some stickers that you might want to snag. I think they're going to be timeless, and what I mean by that is as the Happy Planner comes out with more stickers, I like to think of timeless or classic stickers as stickers that I can put with anything. Since it's the disc, which we all know, or I shouldn't say we all know, there might be some newbies here. The discs are everything. They are like the mascot of Happy Planner. And so since these stickers have disc in them, that would, and you got a lot of disc in these sticker books, these will go, I think, with so much throughout. You know, you're going to want to make sure you use this whole sticker book up. So that is definitely one of my most recommends, is if you don't grab anything else, grab stickers. Next, what I am digging into is also stickers, but they're not really considered sticker books, and that would be the enamel stickers. Now, Happy Planner came out with enamel stickers. I want to say, don't quote me on this, but I want to say in the last release. No, 2 releases before. So these are just great if you are a DIY babe, or if you like sticking stickers on decor, different things like that. I still would consider you DIY if you put stickers on decor, but you might not consider yourself that. Anyways, besides the point, I have used this mainly for my letterboard. I'm gonna show you a picture of that. It was super easy. If you want me to do a DIY video on how I did that, or other DIYs that I would consider doing with enamel stickers, let me know in the comments below and I'll get on that for you. Because I think these enamel stickers are great for keeping on with the collection. So they're really great price, and it would be, like I said, a great way to utilize your collection more outside of your planner, and in ways that you can see it every day. So I really enjoyed these. Journaling stickers. Journaling stickers are so fun because it adds a little bit of different movement to your planner. Or if you're sending a note, I know I have used journaling stickers to put I've used journaling stickers to put notes on my daughter's lunches. I stopped doing that because I didn't think about the fact that sometimes things leak. And once you have a wet sticker on a plastic container, you kind of know where I'm going with this. Well, I learned it the hard way. So there is an alum, Happy Planner Squad alum, who was sending notes to her daughter in a micro notes. So I think I might combine those kind of at one point for my girls and put their micro notes in their lunchbox, and put the journaling cards in there, just so there can be a little bit of movement, or kind of like write something that's secret to them in the journaling sticker. These are also great if you like to take pictures of your planner, but you have things that you don't need people to read. You could do that. Or even in the office, if there's a reminder that you need, but if you leave your planner out, you don't, like, there's some things like appointments or dates or anything like that, you can use the journaling stickers for that. And I just love the colors. I love the decorative stickers in here, and of course the disc. The other things, I didn't bring all of them in here to show you, but paper, this collection, if you need to re-up on filler paper, if you need to re-up on notebooks, grab them because it's so cute. The half sheet is super cute. I love that there is a disc in the inside of the cover. I love that it says Happy Plans on the edge, and I also love that the back I also in love with the fact that the back cover says, "Do what makes your soul shine." Like, the positivity is oozing out of these products. Now, the notes book, I haven't gotten into it yet, but I do. This one is one that I'm loving to look at right now, and I'm going to use it. But this foil that says Planner Babe amongst all the Planner Babes, like, how cute is that? And then, like, the fact that there's so much color here, and you can change these discs to go with however you want it to go. Super cute. I really don't have anything to take much notes on right now. There's some things coming up with me that I will be taking more notes on, so I'm holding this for that. Also, Planner Babe bookmark. You might think I'm crazy, but before I was a squad member, I did things like this, and if you are like me, you might do it too. So I'm just gonna share my little secret, and that's just that. It's my secret, and I'm gonna share it. So anyways, this came in the accessory pack. So it comes with envelopes, filler paper, and some sticky notes. Now, why did I just bring this out of it? Because this is the one thing that I really, really, really love in that accessory pack. And what I would normally do, like what I've done before I was on the Happy Planner Squad, is if I got an accessory pack and there was only one thing that I wanted in there, guess what I did with the other stuff? I would let my daughters use it, or I would take it to a planner meetup. So I would just suggest, if there's something that you really want and you know you're going to use it, go for it. In this bookmark, I'm using in my half sheet planner. Some of you guys would call it that, but it's really a classic skinny. So I have a classic skinny, the wrong classic skinny, and I'll link that down below just in case you don't know what the wrong classic skinny is. So check that out. But I love the bookmark dividers, and I just do. And I know I told you this is going to be a quick little review, so sorry, not sorry. Next. Okay, last but definitely not least in this collection is the big kahuna, and that would be the planner. This planner is a deluxe planner, which means that it comes with a metal deluxe disc. So this one, of course, the disc have that signature heart in there, and it is more of a gold color that it coordinates with the cover here. So what I love the most about this planner, of course, are the monthly sheets and the dividers. And then even more than that, I am loving how most of the spreads, well, excuse me, not most, I should say most of the spread is black and white. Most of the spread is black and white. You have colored down the margin, or maybe you would call it the seam of the planner, and that's about it. I like color, but I like to have the freedom to choose what color I really want in that week, if that makes any sense. So if I'm decorating my planner, I would prefer most of the lines in my planner to be black or muted, so that it's really not clashing with whatever stickers I want to use that week, if that makes any sense. One little thing I'm going to tell you, just because if you are really one of my sugar plums and you hang out with me, we hang out here on YouTube and Instagram, and my other places, which are Facebook and Twitter. If you hang out with me, you're gonna notice a change with this Planner Babe planner, and that is, if you saw, this planner comes in striped cover, and it comes with like a lilac violet. I guess you know the color better than I do, I'm pretty sure. I love this color. Love this color. So I'll be getting that planner. One, because it matches my wrong planner, and two, because I just love that color. And that's why I love the Happy Planner as well, because I know that there's so many collections, because they are offering to different taste, different styles. And I love that in this collection you've got that purple for us purple lovers, and then you've got the rainbow stripes and some great old metal gold disc for those of us who love stripes and rainbows and bright colors. And so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get that purple one, because that was calling my name. Like, it was like, Evelyn, as soon as I saw it. Just a quick reminder, come back on Friday for the first holiday DIY video that'll be up on the channel. So I just wanted to give you an update on kind of what I'm doing, what I've been using since I've had these items, and you know, kind of give you something else to think about before it becomes available in stores. Now, this collection will be exclusively at Michael's stores somewhere around mid to late December. So if you are one of those planner babes that like to touch it and feel it and see it and use a coupon, then you probably are waiting for it to be a Michael's. And I thought this video would maybe be helpful for you to just kind of hear, you know, word of mouth, what I'm seeing that I'm getting the most use out of since I've gotten my squad box. So hope this is helpful for you. Hope it will help you get your list prepared for when you're out shopping for the holidays. And until next time, have fun, enjoy planning. I will see you again on Friday for my first DIY holiday video in my holiday series. And I think that's it. Yeah, keep the conversation going. Let me know down below what you're getting from this Planner Babe collection, or what you already got if you ordered from the Happy Planner shop. Would love to hear about it, how you're using it, or if you've posted pictures, definitely put your Instagram handle in your comment as well, because I mean, who better to talk planners with than another planner babe? So I want to hear about it. Talk to you later. Bye, Sugar Plums.